Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a cute monster. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, we're gonna start up here towards the top of the page and we're gonna draw the monster's head first, but it's a furry head. So we're gonna draw a lot of fur lines all the way down this way and stop around here. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. So here we go. So starting right about here, let's do a bunch of loopy lines that go all the way around and define the monster's head. So up like that, all the way around. It's a furry headed monster. And we'll stop right about there. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Now, starting back up here where we started, we're going to go the other way and do furry loopy lines all the way down this way. So here we go. And we'll stop right about there. Okay, let's draw the horns on top of the monster. So we're going to give him two horns, one on this side and one on the other side. So starting right about here, we're going to do a curved line up, and then we're going to do a sharp turn at the end, and then come back around and end right around here. So here we go. Up. And back down like that. And now let's do the other side. So starting about here, we're going to go up and around. Like that. Okay, let's draw some thin sort of lines on the horns to give them some interest and some shape. So starting here, we're going to do curved lines that wrap around the shape of the horn up like this, stripes. And then we'll do the same on this side. Okay. Now let's draw the body of the monster down here. So starting over here, we'll do the arm and then the leg and then the other leg and then the other arm. We'll go all the way around the side of the monster. So starting here, we're going to give him a furry arm that goes down to his fingers. So, and we'll give him 3 fingers like that. And now let's draw the side of his body here. So starting where that finger ended, we'll go up like this and like overlapping line like that, and then we'll turn that into some furry body shape like that. Now let's draw the leg down here. So we'll do a curved line starting here, and then we'll have the foot come around like this. The toes, and we'll go back up for the leg like that. And now let's draw the belly line here that goes across. So starting right about here, we're going to do a belly line across like that. Now let's draw the other leg. So down here, we're going to do, starting here under the belly, we're going to do kind of a straight line that curves. And we curve around and do the toes on the other foot like that. And now let's draw the leg here coming up, and we're going to do the body on this side. So we'll do a furry thing here like that, and then a fur up like that and like that. And now let's draw the other arm here. So starting over here on this side of the head, we're going to draw some fur lines down to his hand. Like that. And let's add some extra fur here on the body. So we'll do a little fur like this, and maybe some like this. Now let's draw the eye here. We're going to draw a big circle here, right around here. Take your time. Like that. And now inside of that circle, let's do another smaller circle for the pupil. So starting right about here, let's do another circle around. Like that. And now we're going to do an even smaller circle inside of that circle for the highlight of the eye. And let's give him one more highlight, even smaller circle. So we've just done 3 circles, 4 circles actually. The big circle, medium, small, and extra small. And now let's color that eye in black. Okay, now let's do his mouth here. So we're gonna make him a happy, cute monster. So we'll do a smiley line here that goes down and back up like that. And we're gonna curve the edges a little bit, and then we're gonna come back down and connect it to the other side of the line. His mouth's open. Like that. And now let's draw the tongue line across. It's a curved line up like this and then down. And why don't we give him 2 teeth, and we'll make them sharp teeth. Like that, and like that. And now let's color in the mouth black.
Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in.
I'm gonna make my cute monster purple, but you can make yours any color you want. It's a lot of purple. I'm gonna make the horns a lighter purple. And I'll make the eye yellow. Don't forget the tongue. Let's make it pink.
And remember, every artist signs their doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video. Ask your parents to like and subscribe for a new doodle every day.